right, put those dots.
And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Sophia, what do you hear next?
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to Sea Lions class. Make it a good day.
This is Sea Lion leader Marlo Kotecki with this week's announcements. Sea Lion course is on Monday at 2:30. There's a fire drill on Tuesday. Be sure to listen carefully to your teacher's instructions. On Wednesday, we have the foam run to support 5th grade activities. It all starts on the field at 1:45 after school. Dr. Pulver, the Lost Owl superintendent, is visiting us on Thursday. Let's show him how McGaw can shine. Pageant rehearsal is on Thursday after school. McGaw Idol is in full swing. Make sure you get your music and audition videos submitted. Have a great week.
1, 2, 3.
Howdy, buckaroos and buckarettes. My name's Lindsay, and this here is my friend Sammy the Seal. And by Jiminy, can you believe it? She just struck gold in Seal Beach. Eureka! Run Seal Beach is here to announce our 1K Kids Fun Run on March 16th, 2024. So giddy up, sign up, and race with us to the goal. Once you cross that finish line, you'll hightail it on over to our fun zone, where we'll be eating popsicles, making gold slime, and panning for gold, and having heaps of other fun activities that'll make you happier than a weasel in a hen house while your parents run the 5K or 10K. But all you gold miners are gonna need to wear something special. That's why we're holding a t-shirt design contest. If you are in elementary school, we need your help designing a t-shirt for all of our 1K runners that features our theme and our friend Sammy the Seal. This year is a special year for Run Seal Beach. The little run with a big heart is celebrating its 50th anniversary. That's why this theme is, you guessed it, the Gold Rush. The top 3 designs will win one of 3 prizes, which include a day at Knott's Berry Farm, a paint party for you and your friends at Let's Go Paint, and a gift certificate from Knock Knock Toy Store. Shout out to all our local businesses for their splendiferous donations. So, get your wiggle on, submit your drawings by January 12th, and don't miss this golden opportunity. You can find all of the details on how to submit your drawing and how to sign up for our race on our flyer or on our website at runsealbeach.com. All right, see you on the trails, partners.
Winter is here, and our sea lions are spreading joy and cheer. We want to wish you the happy holidays during the month of December.
Thank you for Mr. Pescu from teaching me math.
We're thankful for our teachers.
Thank you, Mr. Garber. Thank you, Mr. Pescu.
We're thankful for our teacher, Miss Sizemore. We love her super much.
We're thankful for Miss Fox because she's kind. I got a Rob book.
High five.
Kindergarten.
Congratulations to kindergartner from Miss Kim's class, Flint Maxwell. Miss Olveda says that Flint found some tacks on the ground and brought them to her so other kids wouldn't get hurt. Great awareness, Flint. Wow.
1st grade.
Congratulations to 1st grader from Miss Gardner's class, Everly Bursach. Miss Olveda says thank you, Everly, for helping on the green team.
2nd grade.
Congratulations to 2nd grader from Miss Lee's class, Tristan Duarte. Miss Olveda says that Tristan has been a big help with whatever we need all week at lunch. Tristan, I really appreciate your hard work and your awareness to make sure lunch is a happy time.
3rd grade.
Congratulations to 3rd grader Claire Nadon. Mrs. Francisco says that Claire is the best helper at recess. Thank you so much.
4th grade.
Mrs. Salaya wants to celebrate 4th grader Keegan Haney. She said that Keegan noticed that she needed help with her door, and he helped without asking. Super appreciate it, and thank you, Keegan.
5th grade.
And finally, our Robux winner for 5th grade is Logan Hazlett from Mrs. Stevens' class. She writes that Logan has been following directions and being an active learner all week long. Way to go, Logan.
That's it, Sea Lions.
I hope you have a great day.
See you next week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.